Alright guys, welcome back to my channel. Let's just go through the news today and see what we have. So University of Cambridge or Cambridge, well, I don't know the right pronunciation. Bitcoin mining map shows China's hash rate dropped to 46%. Now this is good news because for a long time I've been telling people that Bitcoin is highly centralized, and one of my strong points is the fact that most of the mining pools were in China. And I also have another strong point, and which is the fact that just about 4 to 5 mining pools control well over 50 to 60% of Bitcoin mining network. So we don't need to read all through, right? I've already given you the summary, but now look at these charts right here. Latest Bitcoin blocks by mining. This is just today, right? So VRBTC controls 13%, almost 14%, Antpool 15%, almost 16%. This 1, 2, 3, this is more than 50% already, and that's a problem. Binance has 11.1%. You see, so Bitcoin is still somewhat centralized as far as I'm concerned. And of course, no one is above learning. If you think I'm getting the whole thing wrong, please do make sure you drop your opinion in the comment section below. All right, this is some other news. Crypto OG Shapeshift is one of the oldest crypto platforms I've known. Right, I've used it before, but it's been long. All right, Crypto OG Shapeshift is decentralizing itself into inexistence. Crypto community reacts to Powell's congressional hearing. I love what I'm reading, but I wish there would be more news about that. Let me just read through. First mover Coindex, blah blah. Okay, that's not the news. Crypto Shapeshift CEO Eric Voorhees joins first mover as the company shuts down and plans to airdrop 340 million Fox tokens across DeFi. I'm going to get more news about this, right, and give it to us, but I just got excited. I guess this is the video, so I'll watch the video and then give you guys summary. All right, so the next news is not exciting, but to me it's just it says Google searches for Bitcoin price reach 7 months low. It's a normal trend, right? If the price of an asset is going up, people search for it, right? You know, when the price is going down, how do you expect people to keep searching for it, right? It says that's reached a 7 months low, and this is the chart, the drop. But I have the chart right here. This is just I think I've done something better with the charts. So this is the Bitcoin trend chart, and it's indicated with blue, right? You can see it peaked at this top. This is around May. This was May, that when the price of Bitcoin was really going up, right? So it peaked and then it started drastically going down, right? And it is going down. So the last time Bitcoin trend came this low was somewhere around this point. That's around December, 2020. That was the last time Bitcoin trend came this low. And Ethereum is hidden. Okay, Ethereum is the yellow line. It came up also around that same period, and then it came down, right? And DeFi, of course, DeFi is relatively new. So I'm going to remove DeFi, and then I have Ethereum twice. Okay, I'll take out one Ethereum. Yep. So that is Ethereum. So Ethereum, and the search has been reducing, and these are the countries that have the highest search for Ethereum and Bitcoin. Or Vietnam, they have most 93%, and Nigeria has, did I say Nigeria? And the other countries share the rest. So Nigeria is fourth place, but when it comes to volume, of course, you know, Nigeria takes the largest share in the market. All right, since some other news, Italian regulator says Binance is unauthorized. news like this makes me laugh because you know when the reason they are saying all this is because people from their country are using Binance to either make money through trading or lose money through trading, and either ways, whether they are making money or losing money, Binance is making money. So the regulators are angry that Binance is not registered, so they want to get Binance to register so they can have their own share of the pie. Just the summary of the whole message here, you know. But regulators won't have their own share. Anyways, nodes on Bitcoin's Lightning Network double in 3 months. Just in case you don't know what Bitcoin Lightning Network is, Bitcoin originally is slow, it's still slow to make on-chain transactions with Bitcoin. So with Lightning Network, you can make faster transaction with Bitcoin. Now, you don't need to know how Lightning Network works. Just know it makes Bitcoin transaction faster. But the difference between uh, sending Bitcoin through Lightning Network and sending Bitcoin normally is that Lightning Network is an off-chain transactions. It's an off-chain. It's not a transaction done on the Bitcoin blockchain, right? So it's off-chain. That's just the major difference, nothing else. All right, this is the last news we have for you guys today. So it's fine to buy Bitcoin as gold substitute, says Trump ex-Treasury Secretary Mnuchin. What seems to be a full reversal on previously hostile Bitcoin stance is tempered by Mnuchin, who added that he still wouldn't buy Bitcoin himself. Anyways, let me read the quotes here. The first part of it is, I think the underlying technology of blockchain is really incredible and has a lot of different things, particularly in fintech and finance. I think as it relates to Bitcoin, if people want to buy Bitcoin as a substitute, no different from buying gold. So this is just him giving an okay to Bitcoin. And we know all what these guys are doing. They're just basically manipulating the market, because these are the same guys that will tell you Bitcoin is risky when the price is high, and when the price is low, they will tell you Bitcoin is okay to buy. That's because the market has dropped, they've bought, and then they're now telling you it's okay. For those of us or you that are wise, you know it's all just one huge manipulation, and don't sell your crypto, because if you sell your crypto, just know someone else is buying somewhere. Alright guys, that's all I have for you today. Please do make sure you subscribe to the channel and like the video. See ya.